Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply change your profile picture in OnlyFans. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is go to right top corner to your profile, click my profile, and then you're gonna see like the picture here, and you want to click edit profile, right? And here you're gonna see upload profile photo. And now like you want to click on profile photo that you want to upload. Like, I don't know, this one here. And first you need to wait for a while until it's going to upload, and voila, I have a baby Yoda here. So this is pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye.